Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your password on Kraken account. So first we're going to go to the Kraken app. You guys can find this app in the App Store, Play Store, search out for cryptocurrency app. Then next we're going to click on the profile section on the top left corner. Then here we're going to click on security. Then next we're going to click on password under sign in. So first we're going to insert our current password. Then after that we're going to insert the new password and retype it. So as you can see, the password characteristics are listed below. So when you guys fulfill it, they're going to green up. So make sure you have all of them green up. Then once you guys are done, you're going to click on change password. So your password has been updated. So this is good for security reasons. So do it once in a while. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.